Hello my friends. I just wanted to share with you in this video to take advantage of the beach. I was just thinking no day is the same without walking on the beach by the waves. And for me it's much nicer to walk on the waves than up there on the promenade walk. Because for me it's much more up close and personal. Much more intimate is another word of describing that. It's also more closer, so you can hear the words, the waves. Hello little beautiful doggy. Hi. Love dogs. Hello. You saying hi? Doggy. Hello. That's okay, I love dogs. Yeah. Not a bother. Hi doggy. Hi. So there's a lovely grey head there as well. Seems like the dog is after me again. That's sweet. One thing that I wanted to share in this video, like it's so important to be out in nature like I said in my last video, but I want to share something else in a minute as well. But right now I was going to say, like this morning I was up early and I went out at 8:30. And myself, my partner and 2 kids, we went for an hour and 15-minute walk in nature, in a forest, and around a trail in a forest, which is really nice. Kids are playing this and the other, you know. It's a lovely time. And then I also did the cliff walk from Bray to Greystones here in Ireland, with my friend, which took a little bit of cycling to get there, like 7 minutes fast cycle. Then the walk another hour 25 minutes approximately, an hour 20 minutes. And then a little bit of cycling home, and now on the beach while I'm walking towards my bicycle. I just want to encourage us all to take avail of nature, you know. Nature's so healing and powerful. So yeah, that's pretty much what I might maybe say in this video, you know. So I wanted to share another topic, but maybe I should just keep my videos to particular topics. So in this video, just take away that it's so beautiful to get out early, and even in the afternoon or evening, and even as dusk, and to appreciate the sound of the waves. Like, I can't emphasize how important and powerful and healing it is to be in nature and to move our bodies, and even to exercise, you know. I've been running 3 days in a row now, whereas for many years, over a decade, I wasn't really able to run very well. It's just a blessing and a gift to move our bodies and to get a heartbeat, or even just to move fast, to circulate, you know. These are my new running shoes. They're for trail and road. So yeah, that's all I want to say, everybody. I'll make another video on a different topic, so be sure to check out the next one too. Lots of love to you. Thanks for watching, and take care. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching, sharing, subscribing, liking, and commenting. And by doing a few of these different types of engagements, you'll stay informed of new videos coming, stay notified. And as usual, I'll put also some of my videos from the past up here. And I appreciate you watching, and have a nice day.